I'm Zach from Car Culture.
I'm Tyler. Zach feeds me Taco Bell to carry his tools around for him.
So today we're going to be doing a video on the 240Z Zombie build. What mainly this video includes is removing the engine, removing the transmission, and prepping the engine bay for paint. We weren't able to get a video on the engine removal, mainly because it was too dark and we didn't have a camera, and we were just
Zach forgot the camera at home.
Pretty much. It's not too exciting. Here's some pictures of it, just showing of it. There was a lot of swearing, a lot of head itching, plus it was at 2 a.m., so we were just dead on tired. But it was pretty simple removal. The only complications were removing the bell housing from the transmission from the engine, but once we got that out, lifted straight out.
After breaking a light bulb?
Yeah, we smashed it right into a light bulb once it got free. It was pretty awesome. For the transmission, it was a pretty simple job. We had one surprise, which we'll show you in this video.
Have you drained the tranny of the fluid?
No.
That helps.
Should we do that?
Because we didn't do that on mine, and as soon as we got the drive shaft off,
oh, it leaks.
It was pouring everywhere, and tranny fluid smelled.
Do you see the...
Oh, my... God, I love this can because I don't have to be close.
Is that moved enough?
I think so. Let's try it. Yeah, it should be good.
Maybe we should vacuum down here quick.
Why?
Like the...
Oh, the glass.
And the bulb.
I forgot about that. Oops.
Oh, shit. Oh, God, dude.
Hey!
Holy cow.
Opa! I see sky through your car.
It really slowly. Ah!
Ooh, that's not as
Oh,
nice as
that smells so bad.
It's not bad.
Yeah, it's very golden.
I don't know what cars have comfortable suspension.
Like being under the car and spinning paint train all like traps the fumes and like.
Yeah.
I see rainbows in the sky. Look in there.
Fluid coming through.
Oh God!
Dang. I hate that. That's how oh, that hurts.
There's oil everywhere.
That's how I got my stitches last time, dude.
I think this is in a waterproof case.
Yeah, really. No, it's only waterproof, not tranny fluid proof. I think it might be supported just slightly.
It's fine.
That way there's not a ton of stress on those bolts.
It's off. See, at least they're not coming off too hard.
There's a small, really small bolt right here. Doesn't feel like it. This thing still feels pretty solid.
Looks like a 10 mil.
Holy
There you go.
I was getting tired. Oh, nice. Nice job. Holy shit.
It's like a wood screw or something.
Yeah.
What?
Is it the right way?
No. Oh, there we go.
There we go, and that should come right out from
Nice.
under there.
Alright, that's the ultimate short shifter right there. Doggy.
Yeah, I'll go dunk it in the training fluid.
Yeah, go.
Hola, she's pin.
Molly, who is that under there? Oh yeah, it's weld. Put that there.
Put that there.
Is it on just that side or is it both sides?
I keep bumping the damn jack stand. It's hard to see it from this side.
But there's a center bolt that we're going to take out and just kind of have to.
Yeah, I got the exhaust in my way. That's my excuse.
Good. It's almost free. Okay, you're free. There you go. Whoa, there we go. It's free.
Hulk smash!
Nice.
Slowly, I don't know, understand that word. I drive a Subaru.
Naturally aspirated hubcap, son. Alright, it should be good. Keep going. Almost free.
Pulling forward every time I pull.
Alright,
I gotta reposition my legs. I'm trying to sit in between the sway bar. 5 minutes. Before. Nothing hides from the camera.
try not to spill a little bit. Oh shit, I'm falling out.
I didn't know we were lifting it out yet.
Dude, I was falling.
Okay, I say we get the bell housing up onto here, and then we can like focus on that, and then we can have a good way to hold it.
Yes.
Okay, so
just don't want to
get it back on the jack. It's gonna spill out. You grab that blanket, or if you want to go down there, I'll hold this.
Oh my god.
It is a little heavy.
It's like pulling out a fish.
Not quite. Fish are way lighter.
Okay.
We should have just done this with the whole engine block.
26 incher right here. Okay, well, we got it up before the camera fell. So much room.
So much room for activities.
You know. I think the next thing, probably get it painted. What we're doing right now is we're cleaning the engine bay of the 240Z. The main thing we're doing is just getting all the grease, all the oil, any residue that's on the frame or within the firewall frame, skirting. We're planning on repainting it. We're probably gonna do that hammered black. That's that a lot of this grime on here. It looks like it could have been overspray from the black paint, but working into it, it's just really set in. Get all that coming out. So that concludes our video today of the Datsun 240ZOMBIE. The main things we had today were we removed the engine. Unfortunately, we were able to record, but it was a pretty simple removal. We also got the transmission out. Same thing, pretty simple removal. The only things we had was the cross member for the transmission was welded in at some point in its life, as well as that wood screw that was in there for some reason. For the engine cleaning, for the past couple days it was raining, so we weren't able to do much for it, but we showed you kind of the basic thing where we just use engine degreaser, but we also found out brake fluid or brake cleaner was pretty good too. But mainly just spraying onto the grease and dirt that was on within the engine bay, and taking a steel brush or a brass brush on some areas, and basically cleaning that up and taking a rag and wiping it off. It's slowly getting there. It's mainly just a lot of labor hours, but it's getting there. If you guys have any suggestions what we should do for our 240Z zombie build, gladly appreciate that. Other than that, thanks for watching.